the age of AI doesn't have to be about taking away creativity for us. It can be the opposite. It can be about making us more creative, giving us more power. And God, it's so important that we don't hang up our hats because we're scared, right? That we don't give away not only the control to our knowledge and information, but don't give away our creativity to machines because they also seem capable, right? That doesn't have to be our story. When we're looking at machines through a humble lens, when we're looking at them taking a humble role in our world, a background role to support us and elevate us, we really can create a world where humans are more expressive and more connected with themselves than ever before. And you need to keep
Right.
believing in our neural network inside our brain and believe in the creativity within yourself, because it's critical that we don't hang up our hats before these machines even beat us. Because that's how they win. They win like any war. They win by scaring us. They win not by being better, but by having us give up. So we don't give up, and we don't give up on any front.
Can AI really push our creativity forward? Well, author Maya Ackerman, whose book Creative Machines, AI, Art, and Us is coming out this week, maybe AI can elevate us and not replace us. Let's listen in.